the Redmi 9 Prime here in the studio, Redmi's latest offering in the under 10K budget segment, and we are going to thoroughly test out its hardware, build quality and water resistance capabilities. According to Xiaomi, this Prime variant of the budget Redmi 9 is as good as the mid-range Note series devices. Like the Prime design, Corning glass protection, 1080p display and the 5020 mAh battery. And it is true to quite an extent since the Aura 360 design looks pretty good with the mint green. The Aura back is not a fingerprint magnet and heavy gaming is also quite smooth due to the Helio G80 gaming processor. It weighs in at 198 grams, a bit heavy, so it will be interesting to see how it does in the drop test. But at least the structural build quality seems to be doing okay in our usual trial bend. Mi has really improved the quality of the free case in the box. It is good to go with no need for additional expenses on third-party accessories. Also, as you may remember from our previous video, the Redmi Note 9 series was the first to include a pre-applied plastic screen protector on the display. The Redmi 9 Prime here also has a free plastic screen protector, which will be useful to protect only against everyday accidental scratches. So starting the scratch test on the Redmi 9 Prime to know the quality and scratch resistant capability of the Corning glass protection on the display. Xiaomi has an excellent track record of using high quality genuine tempered glass protection on its display, and the Corning Glass 3 will be tested by rubbing common atoms and heavy duty blade. According to the Mohs scale of hardness, metal is not supposed to scratch glass since glass is harder than steel. That's why the blade test is so important, because poor quality glasses on some devices with plastic screen protectors get heavily scratched with scuff marks. The tempered glass protection on the Redmi 9 Prime turns out to be genuine Corning glass protection as expected and passes the scratch test without suffering any scuff marks or damage. Stuff to remember are that the Redmi 9 Prime is not IP rated water resistant and is not IP68 certified, so it will be extremely harmful to submerge it underwater. The SIM tray has no rubber seal on it, present on some budget devices with their own proprietary splash resistance. We are looking for the presence of oleophobic coating on the Corning tempered glass protection, which helps to lessen fingerprint smudges on the display, and its presence is proved when the water takes the form of droplets and rolls off the screen. In some devices without oleophobic coating, the water does not form droplets, but instead forms a pool and lies flat on the glass surface. We have to keep a close eye during the different stages of the water test, since devices like the Redmi Note 8 and the recently tested Redmi Note 9 had suffered from permanent motherboard damage, even with the presence of P2I splash resistant coating on them. A lot of unpleasant stuff may happen to non-water resistant devices during the water test. Like the Redmi Note 8 during the light splashing round had suffered from a permanent black screen due to motherboard damage, or the Zenfone 5Z which had suffered from severe display damage after heavy drenching. The most common effect of water though is sound distortion and low loudness levels from the external speaker, which can last only for a few seconds or for many hours, which can permanently damage the display, sound unit or motherboard. Will the Redmi 9 Prime be able to handle all stages of water abuse or suffer internal motherboard damage? One good thing about the Redmi Note 9 is that the distorted low audio from the external speaker was able to recover within few seconds, signifying no internal damage. And was also able to survive a few seconds underwater. But it did suffer from one issue. The Redmi 9 Prime suffered from headphone icon issue, where the icon came up in the notifications for more than 24 hours without any earphone actually plugged in. During this time, the external speaker stops working since the phone thinks it is plugged in. Starting the first drop from pocket height, bottom side facing down. No visible damage from the first drop from pocket height. Moving on to the second drop, top side facing down. The plastic edge seems fine until now from the top side drop. Next, the third drop, quad camera unit side facing down. No shatter or damage on the plastic back or to the camera unit glass and frame. Next, moving on to the last drop from pocket height, display side facing down. The Redmi 9 has handled all 4 drops from pocket height without any dents to the plastic edges or shatter to the corning glass protection. We are performing the drop test of the Redmi 9 Prime from different angles to find out how the LCD display with the corning glass and the plastic body handles hard drop impacts. Next up, increasing the height to about 1.6 meters head height in the final round, bottom side facing down. No damages until now on the bottom edge, unlike the Nazo 10 and Redmi Note 9 mid-frame, which broke at the bottom side. Next up, the second high drop, top side facing down. No glass shatter as yet, but as you can see, there is a clear dent near the right edge, something which other Redmi devices had survived. Next, for the third high drop, turning on video recording, camera unit side facing down. Unlike the Nazo 10, which suffered some damage at the camera unit frame, the Redmi 9 Prime manages to survive without a scratch. Now turning on video recording on the selfie camera for the last finale drop you have been waiting for, screen side facing down. The genuine corning glass protection and the slightly heavier design has managed to handle hard drop impacts with no damage to the display unit or to the camera functions. The Redmi 9 Prime passes the drop test with no internal damages and glass shatter, but fails in terms of the dent due to the not so strong quality of the plastic mid-frame. Next up, Moving on to fun stuff with value. A genuine bend test will prove the actual structural build quality of devices the brand has given you for your money. In fact, the devices which failed the bend test help us consumers by pushing brands into making stronger builds for us in future. Unfortunately, there are a few Mi devices which have failed the bend test due to poor build and design, like the recent Redmi Note 9 Pro series or the Redmi Y2, which is still the weakest till date. But on the flip side of things, there are a lot of Mi and Redmi devices with great design and strong build quality, like the Redmi Note 8, Mi A2 and A3, Redmi 8A, or the recently tested Redmi Note 9. Fortunately, the 9 Prime here also seems to be continuing the same trend of the strong devices. Sure, there was some degree of flex, especially when high amounts of pressure was applied from the backside. But the Redmi 9 Prime does manage to pass the bend test without any breaks near weak areas, glass shatter, or kinks to its plastic midframe.